There, why you disturb my sleep, huh? Let's chill that. Oh my, none of you done your backers? I can't believe you forgot. We don't have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the bags ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. What the hell are you talking about that? I will start making burgers in backyard. Hurry up! Oh, what the hell you that stupid? Ow, my face! You slapped me, lul. I will pack my bag. I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do? This are my clothes. This is my clothes. This is my pants. Okay, here we want to go into the we have a 5 seconds to explore the house, and we have